Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see how to install MATLAB software. To install this software you need your institution information to log into the MATLAB account. If you already have the account details you can directly log in. If you don't have an account you can make your own account if your institution has a license access to the MATLAB software. Once you log into the account, here you can find out available software with license number. Then you can download the software. Based on your internet speed, the download will complete within a few minutes. Now you can see the download is complete, so let's install the software. So just to do the steps as I do on the screen. So once this tab comes, you select the toolbox based on what kind of projects you are gonna work on. Because in my case I mostly work with machine learning and statistics, so I install these toolboxes. But in your project you might choose other toolbox, but don't choose everything because it will take so much memory to install. So select optimum number of toolboxes. Once it's done, just log in with your account, then check it whether every information is right. So now after checking with a few steps, you can see it's working, so we are free to use. So thank you so much and see you guys in another video. Bye bye.